Hello children, you are listening Sonali ma'am as a science teacher. Today I will teach you to the chapter first of science, that is the human body food we eat. You can see the first chapter, human body food we eat. So human body, at the end of this chapter you will be able to define food and its type, just like that, describe the importance of water in diet, many other questions. Okay, so children, do you know that what is the definition of the food? Exactly, definition of the food, what is the? So, anything which is edible or in the form of solid, because food in the solid form also, right? Liquid form also, and semi solid on eating, which give us energy, is known as the food. Means anything which is edible in the form of the solid form, liquid form, semi-solid form on eating, which give us energy. Means food give us energy. Right now, this is known as a food. Next question we can put this: why do we need food? Everyone know that. Why do we need food? Food give us energy. Food give us energy to work and play. We need energy for learning also, right? It means if we will not eat the food, you will not able to learn anything. Understood? So that's why food is very important for our life. You can see here is right, all living things need food to stay alive, right? All living things need food to stay alive. Food gives us strength to work and play. It helps us to grow, remain healthy and strong. That means if we will eat the food, that means we will strong and able to work, right? So it is also need for the repair the different parts of the body, right? Means when suppose you will get injured, so if we will take the proper food, so your injured part, it will be repaired, right? So it protect us against diseases also, many diseases. So if we will take the proper food, healthy food, so it protect us against diseases. Plants and animals are the two main sources of the food. Plants and animals means food is two sources. Main sources is the food, where we found the food. So plants and animals, two main sources are the food. We get vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruits and oils from the plants. Everyone know this. And we get meat, fish, milk, egg from the animals. You know about milk, you will get the from animals, and fruits, vegetables, oils, pulses, many other things we will get from the plants. Okay, so we should eat these foods in right amount to stay healthy. Means these foods are very important for our body. Okay, so we should eat these food in right amount. Means सही amount में we should eat these food, okay, to stay healthy. Next is what does food contains? Here is given what does food contains. So downside here right is nutrients are the substances present in our food that help living organism to grow and survive. Nutrients are the substances. Nutrients is the substances present in our food. Means which food we eat. So in this food is nutrients are present. It helps living organism to grow and survive, right? So different nutrients have different functions. because we will eat the different types of the food. So in different types of the foods is the different nutrients, and different nutrients have the different functions also. Okay, so some nutrients give us energy to do work just like that, and other are the required for the proper growth and repair of the body, while some nutrients protect us from diseases also. Okay, so here is given the different nutrients have a different functions also. So some nutrients give us energy to do work, okay, and others are required for the proper growth and repair of the body, while some nutrients protect us from the diseases. Here, let us now study to detail about food and the nutrients that are present in the food. Means, in downside we will discuss in your next pages we will discuss about that the food and the nutrients that are present in food. Okay. So here is given components of the food. Different food items are rich in different nutrients. There are the 5 main nutrients found in our food. Carbohydrates. Here is given carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the some nutrients, 5 main nutrients we found in our food. Okay, our body also need a good amount of roughage and water. Means nutrients are also important, but roughage and water is also important for our body. Okay, so in your next classes we will discuss about the all the nutrients, 5 main nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and fat and minerals, and also discuss the roughage and water. Thank you.